Hey, so this is from Attack on Titan again, but in a cage or Vogel im Käfig. I'm not sure how to pronounce that one. Vogel, I know it's with an F sound. And we're starting on part F. So let me do it's 8 bars. Key here is A minor, which we greatly appreciate. In 4/4, and it's A minor. Okay, so maybe do a couple of arpeggios in A minor, scale rounds, or something like that. That helps set the key. So maybe A, all these variations, and then I don't know, arpeggios, start in different places. It would help if I was not very discoordinated today, but I am. Okay, so the left hand first 4 bars go A, E, finger 2, B, finger 1, A, finger 3, C, A, B, C, F. Now I won't say anything about 1. That's all quavers. Now after we have part 2, A, F, B, F, D, C, B, C. That finger 5 that I placed there is kind of important. So 5, 2, 1, 5, because you set your hand for this D. 1, 2, 3, 1. First 2 bars. Oh, that was wrong. A, F. Bar 3, we go to G sharp. Then E with finger 2, B with 1, 5 on E, D, C, B, C with 1, because it helps you remember you're going to go down to F. Okay, bar 3. Move out of F. Now the first 3 bars. First phrase, we have F, stretch a little bit, finger 3 to C, and I'm positive this is important, okay? Because then you have B with E with B, then 2 on A, pass under to 1 on E, and maybe finger 2 to F, and you go to low A. I know it's confusing in terms of fingerings, but it was the best I could do. So that's F, E, 2 to F, or if you want, you can just do 5, 1, and then 1, 5, and then 5. Okay, I'll do that one again. So F, the whole 4 bars. Oh, that's a B. Sorry. Restarts but doesn't. So I think I'm nearly playing this at the pace that it's marked, which is 78 crotchets, which I usually don't because I prefer that you don't have to hear it slow down. I'm going to do that in quavers, okay? Pianissimo, which I know I'm not doing, but it's because, well, I'm recording. To the right hand. This first phrase starts with an E for middle C, not this the treble C, but the E, that E there. Okay, now open up to E, finger 4. I hope I can see. Yeah, you can see. E, F, E with D. So you push your hand a little bit back to be able to open 4 and 1 here. C, D, C. And that's bar 1. 1 and 2 and that's what 7, sorry. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay? Right hand after is regular simple. It's got F, A and D with finger 4. Then because you need these 2 fingers, the F and the A, you lift them to hold on to that D to keep it legato. And now you need F with B. So F, A, D, F, A, E, F, B. You always try to keep one note at least so that the legato is done without the pedal, okay? So these are crochets. The other ones with quavers. 1, that's from the first one. 1 and 2 and lift 1 and 2. Lift 1 or 1 and 2. That's 2 counts here. Now I moved down to E major chord, E, G sharp, B in this position. Same drill, we need these 2 fingers again. So we're going to lift them but hold on to E. Now E, G sharp, C, back to the first, lift the first 2. E, G sharp, B, change to G, but you see that I'm still holding those 2. G sharp, and now, well, the conclusion is A minor, C, E, A. So I'll do these 2 bars, lift the 2 first fingers, lift the 2 first fingers, change the 2 first 3, and 1, 2, 5. Hope that was clear enough. So in a row the 4 bars. 1. Okay, if you can't be bothered, that's 4 counts here in the 4th bar. If you can't be bothered, then your legato will suffer. Ha! So first bar. 1 and. And now counting quavers instead. 1. I'll hold this one until 8. So first I did crochets and then quavers. Now the hands together. You really have to know your notes, of course. Left sides, then together. Watch out for the legato here. And watch out for the legato again. Lift both, because the slurs ended. Lost myself. So in quaver beats now. Because I thought this note D was a bass F, so yeah, I'm confused. I'll do that again still in quavers or without metronome at all. Oh, sorry, F. I cannot do 78 crochets now, okay? With hands together. still make this mistake here. It will sound something like that. It's not too hard, it's just that there are a lot of notes. Now, on to the second phrase. Brief pause here. I will come back. And I'm back. Okay, so we left off left hand in a low A. We come back to E with finger 4. Just not to use 5-5, which is a bit awkward. So 5-4, 1 to B, 5 back to E, C, A, B, C. So it's a little bit annoying because it's nearly the same as the first, but not. E, B, E, C. Well, actually, this one is the same except for the low E, A. Okay. And then the second one is F. So we have low A, E, B, E, C, A, B, C. So yes, that one is the same. Now we have A, F, and instead of B we have A, 5 on F, just like before. D, C, B, C. Now I don't know if that's a typo or if it's, I think not, because the chord matches. So yeah, it does. So it's probably an F. A, F, A, F, D, C, B, C. Help yourself finger change. That's because we're going to go to an E this time, not a G sharp. So these first two, A, E, B, E, C, A, B, C, A. Low E. Okay? Now we have low E, B with 2, G sharp with 1, 5 to E, 1 on D, 2 on G sharp as it was, thumb on B, and finger 2 on E, and we write back in A. So it's the E chord, but a different inversion or a different set of inversions. 5 is important here. And A. All right. So from the beginning of this part, A. E. And now we have an A, E with 2, B, E with 5, C, E, A, B. We have one very much like it, but it didn't have an E. So A, E, B, E with 5, E, A, B. All right, that's that. So I'll do the whole 4 bars. Sorry about that, was a really weak note. I'll try the 78 crotchets. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now with the 78 quavers. So half the beat. Sorry, that's a B. I guess that was the only mistake. The right hand here again starts on the upbeat, so nothing on the first quaver. A, E, and now we have the full A chord, but we're gonna spread it out between 2, 3, and 4, and try as best as we can to hit them at the same time. So A, E, A, C, E, because we have this F, and now E, A, D, 1, 2, 4, C3, B2, C3, and now it'll be GCC, GCG. Okay, so I'll do that. This was already part of the following. Okay, I hope that was clear. Next one is, so we have G, C, G. We hold on to that C and we go F, A, D, F. Don't forget to keep something legato if you can. And in this case, it's the C. Listen. And then it repeats. It's much better than just letting go and putting the pedal, because you get like kind of addicted to pedal. Okay, so to begin these two. And now the third one, we have E, G sharp, B with these fingers, 1, 2, 3. Let go of these two, E, G sharp, C. Hold on to C and do F, G sharp, what? B and F. This is hard, this one's hard. So we hold on to the 4 and we rotate the hands, the forearm slightly outward. 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay? At the expense of this finger, the rotation. Now, I had an idea for legato here, but I'm gonna pass on that. So you just simply breathe there. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4. Hold on to 4, 1, 2, 3, 5. Let go because I'm being kind. Because yes, I can do this legato, but no, I won't. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4. Hold on to 4, 1, 2, 3, 5. Let go. 1, 2, 3, 5. That's the full E chord. Then you hold the B and do the A chord. E, A, C, E. Whew, that was a lot of talking. And I'm always only insisting because I know legato is the first to go when you don't know how to play very well. So you don't consider these. It's a bit like choosing fingers. Other combinations work, but not all are very good. So these 4 bars. And how cool is that, legato? This is by far the hardest so far, but it's a matter of practice. Hold on to the 3. Oops, and then it's A minor. No, yeah. 1, 2, 5, 5. I usually circle the note I want to hold on to so I won't forget. So this part, 7, 8 crochets. Let's hope. 1, 2. Kind of messed up there, but I told you it was hard. I'm not rotating enough. Okay. Now I press again. Whoa. Oh my god. Not very good. Now with the quavers, counting quavers, so half the tempo. And I'm not using pedals, so hopefully you can hear the legato. Joining the hands here, left hand comes from down, A, then they join. E, the hard chord, and the passage to A minor. I'll do that with 7, 8 quavers. Crotchets is impossible. I haven't practiced, so I just went through the motions. crotchet is a little bit on my reach right now because I would have to practice and didn't have time, as usual. Oh, that's 8. See those passages. That's a B. Yeah, should stick to the quavers for now. 7/8 is not extraordinarily quick, so it's just a matter of time and practice, which honestly, well, I didn't do. So now I'm going to do the whole thing, and that's it for the F section, but in quavers, okay? Sorry. It was supposed to be pianissimo. The noise you hear is my cat. I think my metronome is set for 2, and I was on the wrong side of 2 without